back to another episode of V-Builds. I'm driving my car after a long time because I came home after a long time. So now I see the meter of my car is very dirty. There's a lot of dust inside it. So I am going to show you, I'm going to clean it because I don't like it. And I'm going to show you how to clean the meter for your car. So stay tuned. Let's go. I'm opening the complete dashboard now. Disconnected few couplers and right here the music system is out. Oh man. Nope, there goes the next one.
I've been dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon.
Just like that, here comes the meter. But it's connected from the back, so I'll have to remove some couplers, I guess. Right there, do you see that? Just press the lock and pull it out. There you go. Oh, it's stuck. Careful. Don't break, brother. There you have it. Look at this. There is so much dirt inside. It's so filthy. It gives a very bad look to the driver. So I'm going to clean this up and make it look shiny.
Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change. Play the game that we say. I need a break. Time staying strong. Need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong. Need to move on to
And
be
just like
what
that,
I want.
it's
I'll
open
keep
now.
dreaming
I just have to clean it up.
I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late. Game face on when I chase like that. Yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me stack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip, put your name on it. But I'ma let you slide cause you ain't worth it. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. I wanna be someone. I wanna be great. I'm gonna be someone. It's never too late.
Here it is, all nice and clean. I washed these. The glass and this panel, I just directly washed it. And this one I cleaned using a wet cloth and then some alcohol. Okay, I'll break it to you. I used the hand sanitizer. It worked, yeah. And now I can just close it. All the needles at 0. Okay. All nice and clean. Slide it back in like that. Okay. And now just connect the wires. Where are they? Here, this one goes back. That clicks perfect. Place it properly. One. And the last part, there it goes. Okay. Need to tuck it below this on the left side, right there, and right side. All set. Now just all set and locked. There you go. They are done, and look at this. It looks so neat and clean. I'm so happy with it. It used to look like, it used to give a very dirty look to the car, but now it looks pretty awesome. So I'll just share. You can check the before and after. I'll just add one comparison. And you saw it. It's pretty easy. Nothing fancy instruments required for this. So if your meter is as dirty as mine, you can clean it. Just need some time for that. Okay, so that's a wrap, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.
If you like this video, please consider subscribing.